One of the questions we get from tradie agencies all the time and family and friends that are in the trades business is, should I pay someone or should I build my website myself? Now, I'm kind of two minds with this because if you have the time, then you probably don't have the work going on in your business to justify a big expense, right? So if you're going to pay someone to do it for you, you're going to be looking at $1,500 all the way up to $6,000-$7,000 for a professional website. That's hard to justify when you've got time to do it yourself. The problem with that though is by doing it yourself, you're going to make mistakes. That's not an attack on anyone. It's just a matter of if I was to go and start painting a house, no matter how much YouTube I watch, no matter how many, tutorials or friends I talk to who are painters, when I go to paint a house, I'm going to forget a drop sheet. I'm going to forget to properly tape up the windows and stuff, and I'm going to get paint all over the things. When I started out in website design, I was telling people, they would come and they'd say, is it cheaper to get someone to do it for you or to do it yourself? The answer is, in the beginning, it's definitely cheaper to do it yourself. But as of today, as of 2025, there are other options out there that are very affordable and you can have the best of both worlds. So the primary reason you don't get someone else to build your website is the cost. You've got this big upfront bulk payment and then you're waiting 12 to 24 months before you can even get the jobs to pay off that investment. So when you're at the starting stages or really anywhere along your business journey, it's hard to swallow an upfront cost when you're not going to get that return. So what you can do nowadays is there's things called subscription models for websites. So it's a package that puts everything together. For example, the Tradie marketing agency has one, which when you have a website, you've not only got the upfront cost, you've got hosting, domain, you've got support, you've got maintenance, you've got security, you've got backups. When you want a change done to your website, you're going to have to pay most likely on an hourly rate to get that change done. So you want to change out images, add new testimonials, anything like that, it's going to cost. Whereas what we do in our package is it's just one flat rate per month, $275, no hidden fees, no hidden costs. Everything is taken care for you. So literally, if you need an image changed, you need text changed, you need new design, you need to change your logo, no matter what you need done on your website, plus all the support, it's covered in that cost. And that's the way that tradies are now going about getting a website, because it just takes out so much of the stress of actually doing it yourself. Plus, you don't have the negatives of having someone do it for you with the big upfront cost. So if you're interested in something like that, you can check the link in the description. Otherwise, you can literally Google subscription website design for tradies and find an agency that does it.